So if you recall, a couple of videos ago, my mom and I road tripped to Trader Joe's for the very first time and bought a bunch of stuff, and I said this.
I'm gonna do a separate video of me trying all of this stuff.
And this is that video. Welcome. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. We have a fun one today, you guys. If you watched my Trader Joe's vlog that I posted a couple days ago, you would know that my mom and I took a bit of a road trip to go to Trader Joe's for the very first time. We got a bunch of stuff, and I said in that video when I was doing my haul that I was gonna make a separate video doing kind of like a taste test. That is what we are here for today. I also mentioned in that video that this taste test would probably just be a compilation of clips of me eating and then telling you what I think about the things that I'm eating. I did not sit down and film all of this at once. I didn't want to like make everything at once and like open everything at once. I just felt like that would be wasteful because then I wouldn't end up actually wanting to eat all of whatever the item was. So I filmed this probably over like the past week, and I did not try every single thing that we got because we got so much stuff, but I tried to get like a good variety and a good overview and tell you if I personally, in my personal opinion, think that Trader Joe's is worth the hype. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I guess we should just get started and we can roll the scattered clips of me eating. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, I am here to try the gingerbread sandwich cookies. I wanted to do this sitting in front of the Christmas tree. I thought that that would be festive and on brand for this. It's actually the first thing that I'm trying. We just got home, I just finished filming the video of us like going. I have insanely high expectations for these. I love gingerbread. Oh my God. The smell. Mom, come smell these right now. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, bitch. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Mmm.
This is the best thing I've ever tasted.
Delicious.
This is the best thing I've ever tasted. We can end this video right now.
Oh my God, good.
Rate this, Mom, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh my God, 10 plus.
Yeah, I've never eaten something that I've enjoyed so much. I would drive 2 hours round trip just for this.
The gingerbread sandwiches, they were $4.99.
You're telling me we only paid $4.99 for 18 of these magnificent. All right, item number 1, done. This has my stamp of approval. Let's move on.
This is Feta. I love it. I had it when I was a little girl. Very, very hot. Mmm. Oh, really good.
What's your initial rating out of 10?
Most definitely a 10.
What?
That is so good. It really is. You want to try it?
Yeah. Have I ever
really
had
hot,
this
though.
before?
I don't know that you have. Feta cheese, spinach.
I really like this.
Kind of have to like spinach and feta cheese to like it. The dough is that.
Oh my God, I love the
crispy.
dough.
I know. Good pickup. 2 thumbs up for this one.
Yeah, that's really good. All right, we're trying a combination right now. So we have this dip, sour cream spinach dip, and these potato chips, the ridge cut ones, says great for dipping. So I will be the judge of that. Grab a chip. Okay. Yes, queen.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
Bro.
This is really good.
This is incredible.
So good. Oh my God.
Oh. That's a 10. I'm like,
Can you see me?
yeah. This will be gone by tonight. All right, well, this is a winner. Wow. I'm gonna go eat the rest of this, so I will catch you guys next time. Now we are trying the orange chicken that everybody told me to get, and I'm eating it over some just plain white rice. This has really good flavor. I'm enjoying everything about this.
Now it's our turn.
Now we are moving right along. We're gonna try the soft baked snickerdoodles. I have really high hopes for these. Free of wheat, milk, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, and soy. What's in them? You know what they taste like to me? What are those things called? Fig Newtons.
Tastes like a fig Newton?
Tastes like a fig Newton.
You're right, it kind of does taste like a fig Newton.
Just not what I was expecting. And I don't want to be rude. I forgot to rate the last couple ones. I feel like I need to get back on my grind. But like, I think I have to give it like a 6 out of 10.
That's not bad.
I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever had in my life, but it's not like I wouldn't drive an hour for these. You know what I mean? Whereas with these gingerbread sandwich cookies, I would drive an hour. I mean, aftertaste isn't like that fantastic either. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm about to try one of the most important things that I got at Trader Joe's, and that is the everything but the bagel seasoning. People hype this up like it's their job. I actually just made a bagel and my mom bought plain ones, so I put some cream cheese on it and then I put this seasoning on top, and number one, it smells really good. So this is what we have. This is what it looks like. And I hope that it's fantastic because I bought 2. Oh my. It tastes exactly like an everything bagel, which is exactly what I was expecting. I like this a lot. I'm definitely gonna make avocado toast tomorrow morning for breakfast and put this on top of it, and it is going to be amazing. Talented, brilliant, incredible,
amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
I think that I would probably be put in federal prison if I rated it anything less than a 10 out of 10. So there we have it. Okay, so I just got done making my chicken alfredo. My first impressions, maybe this was a user issue, but it's not really creamy. I was expecting there to be more sauce. It does have good flavor. Like for a frozen meal, it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it an I want to give it an 8.6 out of 10. I think that would be fair. My expectations were really, really high. Like I was expecting it to come out like I had just ordered it at like a fine Italian restaurant. And I think that that might have been unfair of me. It is what it is. I look like a ghost. We're trying this now.
It's not going to be a surprise that they're going to be good.
We're so surprised that we like it.
This was 100% expected.
All I wanted was a little cone.
And that's what you got.
That's what I got.
This is 100% a 10 out of 10. So, what do you think, Mom?
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
I'm trying this cookie butter, John. I still don't even really understand what cookie butter is.
Me either.
Holy shit! Colin has already eaten a whole row of these, so they must be good. It has creamy cookie butter spread between 2 decadent butter cookies. It's really good, but I still don't understand what cookie butter is. Still kind of confused about this whole thing, so I'm just gonna crack this open too. The cookie butter ice cream, and see what that tastes like. Oh, my brother's eating some of this as well. Oh, is this the cookie butter? Okay, I do believe I'm a fan of cookie butter. I don't understand what you're supposed to put it on, but it's good in this ice cream, and it's good in the cookies. I do enjoy it, but I don't understand it, so because of that, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 while I continue to eat this ice cream. So next we have this creamy tomato basil pasta sauce. I actually didn't record this one because by the time I was eating this, I was so hungry that I was hangry, so I just did not feel like turning the camera on. So I thought I would include a little overview to give you guys a good idea of what my reaction was to this product.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
What's up, bitches? We're back. Wow, that was kind of rude. I'm sorry. Hi, everybody. It's me. I want to try some more stuff. Currently sitting in this corner of my room next to my closet because it is virtually the only place in my room that is not a complete disaster right now. It's a mess, but we're making it work. That is what life is about. I am gonna sit down right now and try 2 more snacks. The first one, rolled corn tortilla chips, the chili and lime flavored ones. From my understanding, these are like the Trader Joe's Takis that, you know, people talk about. I'm not really sure what smell I'm getting. All right. Why do they taste like vinegar to me? Is there vinegar in this? Maybe it's the lime. We have that like tang. You know what I mean? These are fucking amazing. Okay, I really like these a lot. 10 out of 10, I give up. I'm trying to think of reasons to dock points off, but there aren't any, so we're just gonna go with what it is. The tomato and basil hummus is what we are trying next. I actually had creamy tomato basil pasta in this video. Well, I didn't actually film it because I was in a trance. I literally think I passed out when I ate that because it was so good. I have high hopes for this hummus. I'm gonna try this with my favorite pita chips, just the Stacy's Simply Naked ones. I just got these at Target. I love eating hummus with these. Grab a chip, grab the hummus, and let's get to f***ing town. Holy shit. Pause for a hot minute. Trying to find the right words for this. All I can think of in terms of the right words, only think of the word wow. This is really, really f***ing good.
She's really good.
Like really f***ing good. This shouldn't even be allowed. I can't stop eating it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm being completely honest. I have to go with my gut. This is a 10 out of 10. This gets a 10 out of 10 from me. I'm sorry. Don't think I'm just giving these 10 out of 10s out willy-nilly, you know what I mean? Like, I've given other things smaller ratings. I have. I'm thoroughly impressed and thoroughly happy with these 2 items that we just tried. So yeah. Okay, so I just got done cooking these spring rolls in the toaster oven. I think I followed the directions correctly. I mean, they're warm. I am gonna go ahead and try this. It's probably gonna be really hot because they have a really good flavor, but they're still cold. Not cold, but like cool on the inside. I don't know if I did something wrong. Probably. I think I'm gonna give them a 7.8 out of 10. I'm being super particular right now. They're not like the best thing that I've tried because I've had so many other things that were so incredibly good and 10 out of 10s. Like I would eat these if they were put in front of me, but it's not something that I would actively seek out or like eat every day. You know what I mean? Here we have one single mac and cheese bite. Put some ketchup on this plate too, just in case. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I'm nervous because people recommended these to me, but then after the fact, I saw people saying that these were actually nasty and that the breading was sweet. Like so sweet that it overpowered the mac and cheese bite itself. So I am worried. I'm nervous for this. Okay, so they must have changed their breading. Like it's not sweet at all. I like the taste and it's even better if you dip it in ketchup. I'm one of those people, I don't know if this is weird. I like to put ketchup on my mac and cheese. Like when I make Kraft mac and cheese, I put ketchup on it. It's actually super good. I think that without the ketchup, they're like a 7 out of 10 because I do feel that they're just a bit bland. I feel like it could be cheesier. I feel like the cheese taste could be more pronounced. But with the ketchup, I have to give it a solid 9 out of 10. The flavors are just, they work together, you know what I mean? We have now come to the grand finale of this video. Obviously, I had to save this one for last because this is the one that I have the most, I don't know if it would be anticipation or just like general curiosity for. We are finally gonna make cauliflower gnocchi. Let's review. I did a little bit of research on how I should be preparing this because truthfully, I've never had gnocchi of any kind. I just wasn't exactly sure what I was supposed to do with this. So I looked it up on the internet. I found this blog. They basically have a recipe for how to prepare this cauliflower gnocchi. So I'm going to follow this in a non-stick skillet. Heat up butter and pepper over medium-high heat. Skillet. So 2 tablespoons of butter. God, I feel like I'm gonna become a chef after this. 2 tablespoons. Okay. We found some black peppercorns, so we're just gonna... That looks like it's probably good. Fry until golden brown and crispy. It says that you're supposed to sprinkle Parmesan cheese, like finely grated Parmesan cheese. Yeah, we don't have fresh Parmesan cheese, so we're gonna go with this one. Like this is just what we have in the fridge. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this on them. Time has come and I am gonna try one of these. I really want these to be good. Truthfully, the flavor is phenomenal. However, I think I probably should have left them in a little bit more. They're not crispy on the outside. Like there are places where it's crispy on the outside. I think if I would have left them in for a little bit more, I could have gotten more of the crispiness. I f with it. I'm just saying, this flavor. What are we rating it?
An 8 or a 9.
I'd say 9. 9.5. I really like the flavors. I will link down below the recipe that I used from the blog so that you guys can try it if you want to, because I think it's really, really good. It's very simple. I mean, if I could do it, anybody can do it. Well, anyway, I'm a chef now, so this is now a cooking channel. I'll see you guys next time. Alrighty, so that was it for my Trader Joe's taste test rating, letting you guys know what I think. After this experience, my experience at the store, the variety of the items, you know, the uniqueness, and the food itself, the taste of it, the quality of it, you know what I mean? I'm going to make the statement, I'm gonna come to the conclusion that Trader Joe's is in fact worth the hype that it gets. I will be going back. I will be driving my 2-hour round trip just to go to Trader Joe's. Thoroughly enjoy Trader Joe's. I give it 2 thumbs up. That being said, that is going to be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. Obviously right now I'm posting every day for the 12 days of Christmas, but after that my normal posting schedule is Sundays. And to make sure you don't miss an upload, make sure to turn on my post notifications. It's the little bell icon so that you can get notified right when I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.